Hey there, car owners of Fort Cavazos and CTX. I'm Ashley Smith, and I've got some exciting news for you. Welcome to Veterans Final Touch, where your car gets the hero treatment it deserves. We're not your average repair shop. Our team of heroes brings over 50 years of experience to every job. From pesky hail damage to frustrating dings and dents, we've got you covered. We're running a game-changing deductible forgiveness sale on all collision services. Say goodbye to those hefty out-of-pocket expenses. Ask about our referral bonus and watch your savings grow. At Veterans Final Touch, we handle it all. Dents? Consider them gone. Our skilled team will have your ride looking showroom ready in no time. Ready for top-notch service at prices that won't break the bank? Give us a call for a quote or visit our website to book your appointment today. Remember, at Veterans Final Touch, we don't just fix cars. We restore your peace of mind, where your car gets the hero treatment it deserves. Call now or click the link below to schedule your hero-worthy car repair.